To make text taller in Canva, let's bring in our text by going into elements here. I will come down to the categories and go over to frames. Now let's scroll down under frames to find letters. I will click on see all. So from here, we will start bringing in our text. So I'll start with writing bold, L, and D. So I'm going to close this out and pull my D to this place and pull my B to this place. I will select all four of them and go over to position and make sure they are centered to the middle, and I will space evenly. That way I have even space between them. But if you still want to give it more space, you can come and move this a bit. I'm going to move O here and move L here. Let me select everything now. Make sure the spaces are distributed horizontally. Since all of them are selected, I'm going to go over to my colors and change the text into what text color I want it to have. If it's this gradient color, you can pick any color you want. And from here, I'm going to reduce the size of my text and bring it to the center. And I will stretch it out like this. If at any point you want one to be bolder than the other, say one B to be bolder, I'll move B this way, and I'm going to spread B out like this. And I'll still select everything, go back to position, come back to distribute space horizontally, evenly.